and then she got dengue. और डेंगी मालूम है कितना एग्जॉस्टिंग होता है, वो 1.5 महीना उसमें गया. उसके बाद हाउ कैन शी स्टैंड ऑन अ सेट फॉर 12 hours प्लेइंग बैडमिंटन? कर सकते. एंड फाइन एक्टर लाइक परिणीति तो डेफिनेटली कर सकते. यू सी, सो इट इज नॉट अबाउट श्रद्धा वर्सेस परिणीति, परिणीति वर्सेस श्रद्धा है.
बट तभी के टाइम पे जब यू आर गोइंग अगेंस्ट अ सुपरस्टार लाइक आमिर खान, डू यू फील दैट देयर वर पीपल अराउंड यू और पीपल इन द इंडस्ट्री who try to stop you because you are going against somebody of that stature?
होता है ना, वो तो होगा ही, of course. I mean, who would not want to stand with Goliath? Who would stand with David? But it's okay.
I was all of 15 when Taare Zameen Par released in theaters. I remember going into the theater, stepping into the movie theater, watching the film and getting emotional, happy, and also excited. Also, a little bit of regret that why wasn't I the one chosen to play that role? I just realized the magic of cinema lies in its filmmaking and its storytelling. And today I have a storyteller who has always created magic on screen. Amole Gupte, sir, thank you for joining us on Bollywood Bubble. And I asked you a question at the press conference. I'll ask you again. आपके सारे movies में एक धागा है जो सबको बांध के रखता है, वो है emotions. I think the way you portray emotions, very few in the industry can. How many times have you heard that?
It's not about hearing it many times. It is practicing it that many times in films. Because वो जो धागा है, वो हमारे और आपके लाइफ का ही धागा है. कहीं बाहर का धागा तो लाता नहीं मैं, कि कोई चाइनीज इंपोर्ट नहीं है या कोई यूरोपियन इंपोर्ट नहीं है. ये अपना भारतीय इंपोर्ट, मतलब भारतीय धागा है. एंड वी आर वेरी इमोशनल पीपल एज अ नेशन. और जितना करीब हम अपने इमोशन के जाएंगे, उतना हमको एक अच्छा आईना देखने को मिलेगा खुद को देखने के बारे में. तो जस्ट इमेजिन कि आप 2015 में कोई काम शुरू करते हो और 2021 में अब वो काम थिएटर में आने वाला है, और उससे पहले आपको ये काम शेयर करना है किसी के साथ. तो मैं किसके साथ शेयर करूं? क्योंकि साइना तो वहां लंदन में थी, वो ऑल इंग्लैंड के लिए गई थी. तो उनके माता पिता के साथ कल मैंने ये फिल्म शेयर की. डॉक्टर हरवीर सिंह जी नेहवाल एंड उषा रानी नेहवाल. मतलब मैं सोचता हूँ कि ये मेरे माँ बाप क्यों नहीं. इतने इमोशनल, आप इमोशनल धागे की बात करते हो, मैं इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ कि इतने सिंपल, इतने सादा सीधा लोग मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में एक 4 मंजिली बंगले में रहते हुए नहीं देखे, जहां घर में नौकर नहीं है, माँ अपने हाथों से पराठा मुझे खिला रही है. तो ऐसे माँ बाप ने yesterday they saw the film and they called me up and it was so overwhelming. तो जिस धागे की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो वो अभी इतना बड़ा रस्सा बन चुका है. रस्सी नहीं है, रस्सा है.
बट आपने पहले ये जर्नी चालू किया था श्रद्धा कपूर के साथ. I want to know that when there are reports which come like, she couldn't match up the badminton level because Saina's level has to be certain. Badminton, we don't know. And then there are Pari. How has that journey been? How much truth is in what we read online?
अरे भाई देखो, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कि छोड़ो बेकार की बातें, क्योंकि अच्छा मोमेंट निकल जाता है उसमें, और ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ frankly. In fact, Shraddha was perfectly fit. She had trained to do the role. We started shooting, which is why, because she was fit to do the role. She had done her training. And then she got dengue. और डेंगी मालूम है कितना एग्जॉस्टिंग होता है, वो 1.5 महीना उसमें गया. उसके बाद हाउ कैन शी स्टैंड ऑन अ सेट फॉर 12 hours प्लेइंग बैडमिंटन? ये कोई रोने धोने वाला सीन तो है नहीं, या कुछ ड्रामा सीन बात कर लिए हो गए या बैठ के खड़े हो गए. यहाँ तो खेलना है. सो शी couldn't because dengue really takes the life out of you. I know.
I have had dengue. Yeah.
You know that, what I'm saying.
Yeah,
right?
It's very exhausting.
It's completely exhausting. So instead of doing Saina at that time, she went to Chichore, which was her next slot, which was the slot that was coming up. And because all the bookings at IIT Powai had been done way before, being Diwali holidays, और फिर वापस उनको वो location नहीं मिलता, I said, please go, don't worry. पर February जब आया, जब मुझे मौका मिल रहा था to restart it with her, there was another crisis for my producer, the generous Mr. Bhushan Kumar. He's the spine behind my film. तो उन्होंने वो उनका जो स्ट्रीट डांसर जो फिल्म थी ABCD 2 या जो भी है, तो स्ट्रीट डांसर में there was a crisis, and he said कि can I'm taking Shraddha to that film with Varun Dhawan. It's a much more at stake, and it had already, the wheels were on. So he took her there, and he gave her Parineeti Chopra. So it was a win-win for everybody. And frankly,
I think Parineeti has really hit it out of the park.
Absolutely. The truth is, I'll tell you frankly, I don't even audition children. You know that. It's a leap of faith. मेरे को मालूम है कि कर सकते. And a fine actor like Parineeti तो definitely कर सकते. You see? So it is not about Shraddha versus Parineeti, Parineeti versus Shraddha.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's why I asked you that. Was there any truth to what we read? Because you are the best man to clarify it.
नहीं, और मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता ना, इसीलिए. I'm not present in the media. I'm not Insta. I'm not Twitter. Facebook सिर्फ दोस्तों के लिए है. So that's I think silence is nice. It maintains your dignity also.
You know, when you make a biopic on such a celebrated person, it becomes double the responsibility. Ek to somebody has to look the part, and you are at the helm of everything. You have to make somebody look the part, fit the part, act the part. They do their job, and you have to make sure everybody does their job perfectly. So you are at the helm of all things. Was there any day where you felt any pressure? Or are you that, because you're a cool person, you're a calm person, you never let it hit you?
No, don't go by my appearance. No, I'm quite a taskmaster also.
No,
but not with children, but with older people who are above, in the adult age. I'm quite a taskmaster. It's not about that. And since I have been immersed in this subject for 5 years, I knew what I was seeking from actors, be it father, mother, Parineeti. I knew that the 100% delivery is from the little girl who played little Saina, Naisha Kaur Batoe, because she's India #1. At age 9, she's already sub-junior India #1 doubles and India #3 singles. So she was playing her part. So I was comfortable with her because it's a film about badminton and it's about a badminton champion. And here was an India #1 on set with me. तो उसने तो मुझे राहत दे दी. And once I set the tone with her playing, then it was easy for me to lay the tracks and make people understand and feel that yes, Parineeti is also Saina. Just the way Naisha is Saina, Parineeti is also Saina. And having a very sharp actor like Parineeti on floor, Manav Kaul, Parineeti, Meghna Malik, my God, what performances! Shubhradoshi Bharat, I mean, Ankur Vikal. These are what an ensemble. In fact, I feel that each one of the actors in Saina deserves a national award. You know,
absolutely
nothing else, and it's got nothing to do with me. It's got to do with their talent set.
You are an artist, and most times, especially in this industry, like in the creative field, I'm not talking about Bollywood at large. I'm talking about any creative field. Artists are not given their due respect at times, and you're a very vocal person. So you speak about it, and you just not speak about yourself. You speak about artists in general. You fight for their rights. There was a time, I still will say, today I am 28. The film released when it was 15. I could feel that it was your film, and the way you had put in those emotions to Taare Zameen Par, you had spoken about it. At that point, you were denied your rights. You were not called the director of the film, and you had spoken about it. Today, from there to establishing yourself as a person who has watched your films, wants to talk to you, wants to speak to you about filmmaking, and respects you for what you do. Do you see that shift? And was it difficult at that point to deal with that situation? Because you were You're starting off as a filmmaker also.
Time flies, my friend, and you need not fear, because there is always a sunrise after a sunset.
Yeah.
So it doesn't daunt me at all, and I'm genuinely not a person who kind of sits wallowing in anguish. That's not. I take the day by its horns, like a bull by its horns, and see what the new day has for me. And therefore, I was able to practice my art form, which is cinema. And I survived time. It's been 14 years.
But तभी के time पे जब you were going against a superstar like Aamir Khan, do you feel that there were people around you or people in the industry who tried to stop you because you are going against somebody of that stature?
होता है ना, वो तो होगा ही, of course. I mean, who would not want to stand with Goliath? Who would stand with David? But it's okay. You find your guerrilla ways of doing your warfare and see that you bring out your next baby and your next and your next. Because that is what I owe to cinema and not to anybody else.
Absolutely. But I know, and I know the kind of pressure that numbers can have on a film like this, but during trying times like this, I feel a film like Saina is what we need. And I will go to the theatres personally to watch the film.
God bless you. But I would also tell people, please take care when you step out and follow the protocol of COVID.
All the best, sir.
To you too. Bye.